Akakiko akanoonyereza ku mivuyo egyetobese ettaka bawubyeko olubulu lw'ebigere ku kitebe kya UBC ekisangibwa ku luguudo Nile Avenue mu Kampala nga bakulemberwamu ssentebe w'akakiiko omulamuzi Catherine Bamugemereire. Mulamuzi Catherine Bamugemereire agamba nti UBC eweereza bulungi bwe kituuka ku mawulire agakwata ku mivuyo egyerimbisa ettaka naddala obutawudisa na kusavuwaza oba okubuzaabuza abalabi.
My name is Catherine Bamugemereire, and you're watching UBC. For the last decade, this new station has served this nation ever so faithfully, and we thank you for the great work that you do. Thank you.
Agambye nti mu kaweefube gwe baliko bafubye okusazaamu ebyapa ebyenjawulo ebiri mu ntobazi ko n'okwanika obuziina n'obubbi eri ensi awatali kutiisibwatiisibwa ng'agamba nti ebbanga Akakiko lye kasigazzaayo ttono era nga balina okusiibula yadde ng'emisango gikyali mingi ddala.
That from the time that we commenced operations, and actually even before, as soon as we were sworn in, the UBC has been a great champion of our work. You televised us swearing in and have stayed with us through the thick and thin. This visit, therefore, is first of all to express the Commission's gratitude to the media for the work you have done and for showing solidarity with us. We don't take your solidarity for granted. We don't take your coverage for granted. We thank you for making sure that Sudat Kaye is always with us.
Amyuka Ssenkulu wa UBC Morris Mugisha n'asuubiza omulamuzi nga UBC bw'eri neetegefu okwongera okulaba nti balaganga amawulire ag'akakiiko n'okukolagana nabo buli lukedde.
As UBC to thank you as a commission for the great work you're doing, and we really are speaking on behalf of everyone, including Ugandans. Yes, you're lost and loved, but we think you're loved more because you're addressing the majority of the people, the afflicted, the weak, the poor, and that's a lot of people. And so we want to thank you and stand with you in the work you're doing. On behalf of UBC, we again want to extend our own invitation again to you and the Commission for an official interview on air with UBC TV and Star TV and radio. We will be happy at the time of your choice to come back to you and invite you to appear on our platforms. And finally, the MD has said this. You've requested, and it's really what we'll do. We'll continue to support the Commission when the lights are on and off until the last mile. And we will be with you during the rain and the sun. We'll be with you when the stress comes on board, but we will support you in the entire way.
Akakiko kano kagunjibwa omukulembeze w'ensi eno Uganda okugonjoola endooliito ezeetobese ettaka era nga kati kakamala omwaka gumu n'emyezi egiwera nga kanoonyereza ku mivuyo egitali gimu awamu n'okujuna abanaku. Bino byonna okubaawo Kaye Sudaati ng'ali ku bbali awo n'okutwakunkumula.